Hello friends, let us now today we discuss about derivatives of composite function. First of all, composite functions, it means it will be whenever any one function it consists some another function as a variable inside it, then total function is called composite function. For example, it will be sine of log of x. So log x is an independent standard function, sine x is another function, so sine of log x total function is composite function. Similarly, e to the power tan inverse x, this is also example of composite function. Log of x into e to the power x, this is also example of composite function. Similar examples we can consider as a composite function. Let us now we find derivatives of composite function. So whenever we have been given the function y as a composite function, suppose f is another function and g is the inside function, and so total function y, it is composite function of f and g. And so now we have to differentiate it with respect to x. The rule of derivative says the derivative of y is dy by dx, and we will apply d by dx of f of g of x. So one of the rule of derivative, that is called chain rule, it says that whenever you have to consider the derivative of composite function, you have to differentiate first outside function by considering inside as a variable x, and then into we can differentiate this, that is we differentiate this derivative of f with respect to g first, and then derivative of g with respect to x. So this continues the chain till we will differentiate this up to the certain variable x. For example, let me consider, if you want to find now derivative of sine of log of x, this will be, so let me consider y to be equal to suppose sine of log of x, and so if you differentiate this with respect to x, one side will be dy by dx and the other side will be d by dx of sine of log of x. Now what you will do? You will do first derivative of sine by considering log x as a variable, and so that derivative of sine is cos, but simply write this one as log x as it is, into, now this log x is not a standard variable x, so we will differentiate this one more time with respect to x again, and so this is cos of log of x into, now derivative of log x is 1 by x, and so that this completes the total differentiation of your function y equal to sine of like. So answer is cos of log of x divided by x. So this is your required derivative of function, and this completes the answer. I hope you clear idea about derivative of composite function. We will see some more examples about differentiation. Here let me consider another function as y to be equal to log of sec x plus tan x. We have to differentiate, so we differentiate this with respect to x, and we will get this is dy by dx, and other side is d by dx of log of sec x plus tan of x. And so this is to be equal to, now derivative of log by considering this total bracket as x, so derivative of log x 1 by x, so it is 1 upon this is sec x plus tan of x, and again into we differentiate this sec x into sec x plus tan x. Now we will differentiate sec x plus tan x. Here we can apply This is in terms of plus, and this is another function, this is one function, so it is u plus v form. So derivative of sec, you can have sec x into tan x plus derivative of tan, it is sec square x, and divided by this bracket as it is sec x plus tan x. Now if you consider, you can see in the numerator derivative of this we calculated here sec x into tan x, derivative of sec, tan sec square is derivative of tan. So from this sec x can be taken common, into bracket remaining is tan x plus sec x divided by denominator sec x plus tan x. So both the bracket are same, there can be cancelled, and so finally answer it is sec of x. So this is required derivative of your function log of sec x plus tan x. Third one, suppose y is equal to e to the power tan inverse x. So if you differentiate this with respect to x, we will have dy by dx, and this is d by dx of e to the power tan inverse x. But we know that derivative of e to the power x is to be equal to e to the power x, and here e to the power tan x is a composition of exponential function and inverse function. So we'll consider tan inverse x as x and we'll apply this formula. It will becomes e to the power tan inverse x as it is, into there will be derivative of tan inverse x, and so this is e to the power tan inverse x into, now derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Finally e to the power tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square, it is derivative of your function with respect to x. So this is nothing but answer of this third question also. I hope you understood the derivative of composite function. The similar question you can solve by using the methodology at your level. Thank you.